Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Cheyenne here. Okay, so this is just going to be a really short and sweet video. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is just giving you an idea of what this channel is going to be about. So, let's just jump right into it. I will have different videos like fitness because I'm definitely into trying to learn and love fitness and, you know, just make a lifestyle change with that. As far as weight loss and everything, because I am definitely working on weight loss. So weight loss videos, cook with me, cleaning, DIYs, shop with me, hauls, grocery hauls, different things like that. And whatever else comes to mind. And, you know, as you'll see in the videos that I'm a pretty simple, laid-back person. I'm the oldest of 5. And I am all about being with family. In fact, I live right next door to my mom and dad, which I love. Like, truly love. That's not sarcastic. So anyways, I just wanted to give a little bit about me and what this channel is going to be about. And yes, I am holding my camera right now, so I apologize for the shakiness and the poor quality and everything. I will definitely be working on that. And just check out my videos once they start going up. And if you do like, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments of what you would like to see. And don't forget, you know, if you are interested, to hit that subscribe button. Bye.